Determining if object is of typing.Literal type. I need to check if object is descendant of typing.Literal. I have annotation like this. And I need to check game state annotation type. But it causes error, so I swap the last one too. But it never returns true, so anyone knows a workaround for this.
Typing.Get_origin returns literal for literal descendants, so what I needed is basically
Typing.Get_origin (TP) is the proper way. It was implemented in Python 3.8, same as typing.Literal. The docstring is thoroughly instructive. In your use case it would be